What up, guys? So I am going to take out an engine, but here's the catchy thing, it's all in Hamilton. But you know what, like, to help out a YouTuber, I'm gonna go help him out. Hopefully this won't take long, because there's gonna be more than one hand helping out. I got my tools, he got his tools, so it's gonna be like a fun time. So let's get at it. The traffic of the GTA, holy crap, like stop and go, stop and go, stop and go in the standard car. It's ridiculous, but it's what it is. It's what I have to deal with, you know? But I'm basically like halfway there to my destination. So probably after this you'll see either how far I reach or where I am or whatever the case, but yeah. Well, I'm like 30 seconds away from my destination.
It's your skin too, like if you touch it. Yeah. It's not even like they have a finger. You're about to see the best fuckery you've ever seen in your life.
The best fuckery.
I believe it. I really do. I'm gonna grab it and you're gonna know right away. There's judging here. It's gonna be a fucking toe strap.
Are you serious?
Dude, this engine, I can lift this engine myself. I can. I'll show you the outside if you want.
Told me to bring a fucking piece of chain. I got
No, chains for girls, man. This is interesting. Oh, this one's all fucked. I don't want this one.
I don't know. I have to say, like, I used a toe strap one time. Like, I had nothing to really hook on, and I wanted to get the motor and the tranny out of my pickup truck. So I just, like, wrapped the toe strap around both, and then put it on, like, pretty much the same thing. Just lifted it straight up. But there was, like, I had the body off, so it was just a frame and a motor. So it's just lifting it straight up.
Yeah.
Just put an extension cord on it. Wrap it around a couple times.
That's stupid.
That's sketchy.
It's the roadkill way.
No,
You gotta do it the roadkill way. Use a frayed one.
No.
Which one? The first one?
This one here?
It's tangled?
Yeah.
Are you
Laugh. What?
Are you serious?
That's some good shit. That was some good.
What you got?
That was some good shit. You want to come over from the key is to wrap it around a couple times, because then it won't close in on itself. You ain't gotta really tight it hard.
That's super sketchy.
Weight reduction. Weight reduction is buff, bro. Adding lightness. Adding lightness. Get it?
Adding lightness.
Are you ready to turn it right now? So,
The sketchiness.
there we go. That's how you remove an engine. Just getting another one down. Yeah, who's gonna push down? Clear that oil pan. Yeah, the fucking almighty precious oil pan.
Yeah, you
What?
literally have to like.
Good? Now push down, is it clear?
Yeah, go up now. Next time I do this, I'm gonna get a leveler. Okay, hold on. I think that's like a must-have. Hold on, guys.
You like kick the fucking engine noise. Am I clear?
Yeah.
What number is this? I forget now.
3.
No, I don't think it is number 3.
2?
I think it's number 4.
Number 4.
4 engines, yeah. Not from this car.
Really like race down kid, and he's gonna be like, "Yeah, I was doing weight reduction." I'm like, "Stop right there! You're doing what? Weight reduction? What do you? Weight reduction?" He's like, "Yeah, like I'm taking things off my car to get it like lighter, like make it lighter, so I can like it takes less amount of power to run it and shit, so I can get better performance." I'm like, lighter? Like you mean you're adding lightness?
Adding lightness.
Maybe if you were doing like 200k and then like hitting a fucking deer.
We're doing 200 kilometers an hour, and then like, is that when the fucking deer
I was
emerge?
doing 50.
50?
On my way to work.
No, come on. You were doing
I was
50.
eating croissant and driving to work. I was eating my chocolate croissant for breakfast as I was driving to work. I'm not speeding in that area at that time. I won't my speed through there, yeah. Because I'm more weight, but I'm eating, and then when I'm not eating, I will start flying. And then I'm driving, and it's like from me to him. No, I'm not even closer. From like me to the transmission, this is the road, and that's the forest. And I'm driving, boom, just out of nowhere. I'm not even speeding. That's why I didn't hit my windshield.
And then you're like, oh no, my croissant, I dropped it.
No, I finished the croissant before I got out of the car. And then I went over, I looked at the car, I'm like, well, that's fucked. And then I went back and I looked at the deer, I'm like, okay, well, good thing it's dead. I didn't want to have to kill it.
Tire iron just fucking.
Oh, no. Yeah, exactly. I mean, lightness added. Bring the glitter back. I might do proper glitter though, like where it's
Actually,
clear
paint.
and
Did he like bottle spray this or?
Yeah.
Oh.
You like
Why don't you make it like a little booth and just actually paint it? I mixed that glitter in there, so.
Painting's hard, man.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
I tried painting a car one time, like professionally, like with a gun and everything.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I have the compressor and like at work
Instagram. Sweet. What?
Just several dudes coming.
What?
Instagram, YouTube, name?
For what?
She's asking
Oh,
you what
you're recording it now. I thought you were just taking a photo. Jesus.
Oh man.
YouTube is Nick Miner, and my Instagram's Nick Miner. My Snapchat's Nick Miner. It's all Nick Miner.
Nick Mike.
Yeah. Yo. Oh yeah.
The what?
Snowblower.
Oh.